Here's how to take an affordable cut of meat and make it into a delicious holiday dinner. You'll start by seasoning your roast nice and generously, giving it a good rub, and then putting some oil and some butter in a Dutch oven and searing your meat on each side. Once it's seared, you'll remove it from the pan and then add in some onions. You'll cook those down a bit before adding in some tomato paste, then some red wine and beef broth. Bring your meat back to the party, add in some additional spices, and cover and cook for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the lid and then add in your potatoes and carrots around your pot roast and cover and cook for an additional 1.5 hours. You'll know it's done when your meat easily falls apart by 2 forks. Affordable, easy, and absolutely delicious, guys. Make sure you comment recipe for the full recipe and like, share, and follow me for more.